All right, today you're going to be taking your first unit assessment as a third grader, and I am going to show you how to do that, okay? So you're going to access your unit assessment through Eduphoria, which is linked to your class link. So if you don't know how to get on class link, I'm going to show you, okay? So if you don't know, go to your Elgin ISD website, click Students. When that loads, you're going to scroll down until you find class link. All right, click class link. And it's going to load. All right, now I'm in my class link. Okay, this is what this looks like. You have different apps that you can use here, and you can access those apps at home. We have Brain Pop. There's an email. There's Pebble Go. There's Epic Books. There's a lot of different things that you can use. Okay, but we're going to focus on where we're going to take our test. So you're in your class link. You're going to click on Eduphoria Elementary and Intermediate Student Online Testing. Okay, it's an orange background with a lowercase e and an exclamation point. So you're going to click it. It loads. It does not automatically log you in like most of the other apps on ClassLink. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to enter your lunch number, just like you see here, just your lunch number, no initials, nothing else. Then your password is going to be your initials, but they're going to be uppercase. So to do uppercase, you're going to press the shift button and press the letter that you need. So like for me, mine would be Jessica Garza. So I would do shift J and then shift G. And then, so you have those two, and then you're going to enter in your lunch number. All right, you have that in. And then you're going to see this white box. Well, this white box won't be white. It will have an assessment for you to take on the day of your assessment today. So it's blank because I'm recording this before a test is present. You're going to click that test. As you are taking that test, if you do not finish, you need to press save so you can come back to it later. If you do not press save, you're going to have to start all over again. When you're done, please press submit. Okay, if you don't press submit, you didn't save it, you didn't submit it, so it's like you didn't take your test and you're going to have to do it all over again, and we don't want that. So let's review again. I'm at the Elgin ISD website. I'm going to click Students. Then I'm going to scroll down to ClassLink. It's going to log me in to ClassLink. I'm going to click the Eduphoria app. It's orange background with an E and an exclamation point. I'm going to enter in my password. Shift J, Shift G. That's capital. That's making it capital. You enter in your initials, okay? Those were my initials. And then I'm going to enter in the rest of my lunch number. And there you go. You click, you start it, save it if you don't finish it in your one sitting, submit it if you do finish it, and let me know if you have any questions. Good luck.